Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Today I'll be giving you guys a cleaning video, so you guys gonna clean with me. The house is a mess. We just wake up, put some sheet in the machine. So I kind of start already, but nothing too much. I just put sheet in the machine because the sun out now and I want to catch the sunlight. So sheet in the machine soon finish, soon go hang them out. The first thing I want to do is take down the accent piece. I curtain them out of my room. And remember how them look? Yeah. Them I get to me. So I need to take out them color there and just drop in 2 white pieces. So I take out the iron board and the iron because we're gonna iron the white piece them to put in there. I don't know, just do it time. Kinda bother me now, like it just look too crowded. Probably because of the sheet I have on the bed. The same sheet from Christmas. Don't worry, I wash it. Alright, that's that. I only iron off of that one here because I only off of a show over here, so that's a one trick one I can probably try. You probably know this already. Because if all that now go show, it make no sense to you iron all that. And then this one, I do the full thing because all of this I go show. So this side I go get the one where iron fully. Oh, I know one cool trick. The little brown thing that holds the tissue paper together. I don't have none of that, but if I did have more, like put it in between so the curtain can look full and nice. So if you don't have, you can put it in between. So every time you put on the curtain rod, you would have just put the tissue thingy between it and then put it on, so it wouldn't close up like this. It would have just always open and look full. Alright guys, so this is it. Which one do I prefer? This one or that one? Let me know. Talk fast. I think I love this one more. Besides the one here I use. I love the white, the gold and the navy blue. And when I put my sheet down on the bed, at least that middle piece and I'm gonna throw me off so much. Organize the stuff them, it make life much easier, trust me. All done. So, just to the supermarket, but him not in a big shopping. Just something where we run out of him gone get. I'm gonna think I'm gonna make no big changes in the house for now. But I want to change this. I love it and everything, but I want to change it because I don't love how the TV just naked right here. So enough time I wipe out the house and the mop stick drop. I drop down and I have to run to catch it because I don't want it lick the TV and stuff like that. And also, like, if we're coming out the house with bag and pan them, and it's just too naked. So I want a TV stand where I can just push the TV up in it and have more storage space, and I can like put JC game in one little section to itself and all of that. Even though this have place for storage, it have 3 layers, but everything just a show. I'm not gonna spray it because I don't have one more than normally used to spray it, but it's okay. So I could just get that together. Jason just reach back. So I'm give her the backstory. So I'm not gonna spray it, I'm just gonna dust it out. The supermarket because we did run out of water. Well, this is how we did have leave back. and clean. Just finished bed and me go eat my dinner. And me just now wait on for eat. Come, we're going to the kitchen. Go see what Jace whip up. Well, me know when whip up, but we're going to see how it looks. So let's go.
Hey.
She's the one with himself, you know? Let me show her now. Wow. And you know the reason why I feel so good? Because I'm not help him. So I'm proud. The only thing what I do was to ensure that the chicken clean up properly. So when him cook chicken, I normally like season it and clean it up. So I'm sure it's clean up properly. So the only thing I do was just to come look if it clean up properly. I make him do it for him one way. Make him cut up him season him and cut up him carrot. Me normally cut up long and but me make him do it how him want to do it. Cause everybody cook different. Once the food done cook, that are the objective. Cause really and truly, but if when we did meat, him could have cook. Who to tell if would have cooked the same way? Probably him have feel like a method and me have my different method. So just make him do what I do. And it turned out, it looked just like how it would have looked when me cook, but wait. We're waiting on the taste test. Go and taste it. I just feel so proud. If you know, you know. Because probably somebody has said, the man cook where you going so far, I just cooking. But you don't know Jason's situation. Him been a cooking up, don't get me wrong, him been a cook because him cook chicken and rice already. But I just for no say. But I just for no say, you know him I do it without me help. You remember one time when I used to be over him like, no babe, do this, whatever. You know him season it and but I feel good. When I taste it, it's still in a but base pan, but me see, me feel good. Babe? Yeah. Come here.
How my food looks soft that
Wait, can't do that. I have to show them how your food looks, guys.
And tell them say me cooking no call them say I lie.
No, me tell them already.
Oh.
Me tell them already. But yeah, this is
yeah,
it.
that's what you hear.
One time I sit down, me will show her properly, but me go in right now. Baby, it tastes really good. What are you?
Alright, so I'm gonna have fun with my dinner now, people.
Guys, it tastes good enough? And it tastes like me eat my own cooking. If you don't ever know me excited because I'm tired of my own cooking. Guess who now cook so much again? Me! So I'm gonna eat and come back. Need some water. Guys, so finish eating my dinner. Good while now. About 40 minutes or so. And I'm gonna light the candle them. It name with coffee. Now see it? Wait, yeah. So I'm gonna have the fancy candle lighter. I need one of that. I'm gonna write my little list with the stuff that I want. I start write one today. I used to have it and I think I just mash it up, you know. So I need to buy back one. The one I have right now is electric. Let this one stay here. And this one is hot cocoa cream. This one is really nice as well. Smell like tea, chocolate tea. I gotta give one a little run through of how the place look right now. Today was a productive day. Right now about after, I'm gonna tell you now what time. On my phone. Wait, I could go. Only can't tell me so this not look better. Talk it truth. You know comment and let me know. 9:06. Guys, remember I did a video where I was telling you where I got all of these stuff from. The cushion cover, the cushion them, everything. If you're new to the channel or you just never get a chance to see the video, I'm going to link it. Guys, me get visitor, so me I make this quick. Come in, I'm coming. Or I'm showing the room. Guys, we did it. I edit my first vlog. You want coconut?
Yeah.
So I edit my first vlog using the laptop. Nicole, big up yourself, guys. Nicole teach me how to edit over live, you know? Live. I really appreciate it, trust me.
What's it?
250. Hold on there. Pass it behind the laptop here. Babe, take it behind the laptop.
This is my father, yeah?
Thanks, sir. Yeah. You cool? I have a YouTube channel. Her channel is Nicole Denise TV, you know? Nicole Denise TV, guys. I'm gonna give her a follow because this what she do, she not even know. So I'm gonna upload the video by 12. You know the funniest thing? I did export the video already, you know, but I did leave out something because you don't know say at the first me I do it, so it now gonna be perfect. Guys, comment on a scale of 1 to 10, how did I do? Now watch the video, look on the little transition them what me do and tell me how me do. But I did done export the video and then I realized I did leave out something, so I have to go back. Lucky thing me do it because I able to add in the clip here. And also I did promise me some would have given a little backstory of what did happen. Remember when Jason give me the cake and I said I go tell another backstory? Not too much, but we did not be petty towards each other because whenever they talk the day before and him go supermarket and him come back with cake, so that's it. We're there though, just chilling. So we'll soon get the vlog. I'm adding them clip here and give another vlog. Alright? Love you guys so much. Thank you for always supporting me. Thanks for tried the journey with me. Big up on yourself.